Fastest run of the night so far. Shoot, I've drove worse than that daily. Defiance Diesel on the windows. They're one of our sponsors here tonight, and a sponsor of that truck, obviously. This must be Austin Weymouth out of Charleston. He's not his father's boy. He's got way too much brake light going on. His father's been a member for years. His grandfather's in the campground making sure everything goes through. His great-grandfather's walking around here at times during the weekend. Every one of them's been a large supporter and helper of the fair over the years, and Austin's been stepping up, helping wherever he can the past few days, too, as he's been around. A little out of shape there, that'll cost him. Other than that, he's got a pretty good run going under his belt. Might not be the lead, but it's right there in the lead. 53.94, 53.94. That's a nice first run. He'll know where he'll shape it up on the next run. Geez, what's with these vehicles that are nicer than my daily driver? That little Ford Ranger's even straight. Bruce, can you talk him out of running that? I need a new track. No, don't look under. Oh, is it a two-piece? Oh, swivels in the middle. I like those. All right, this could be funny. Watch the body of the cab go two different directions. It'll just be funny. Oh, yeah, look at that. Throw a 2x4 between the cab and the body. Hold everything up. Oh, no. You can't use the brakes. See what happens? Throttle. That's the skinny pedal on the right. That one. There you go. Go. You won't even make it over the jump. This is going to hurt. Oh, I'd exceed it faster, bit better right there. That hurt. First time you ever been in a truck? Just keep going. You went halfway around. Keep going. You got it. Go all the way around. That's that skinny pedal thing again. Goes up and down. The one that goes left to right won't help you. I bet he's wishing he had better tires.
50-50.
See, a little more throttle and smoother. I told you.
Mine are waterproof.
Yeah, two-wheel drive.
I feel like an up. Go! Yeah, I answered about anything. Well, what's
Well, we found the skinny pedal on the last end of it.
Yep.
123.
That's Larry's.
Yeah.
Okay, another Red Line Racing crew out of the Milo area. You got a rusty Ford Ranger. I see the ratchet straps. Hold the fuel tanks up tight. Make sure they stay in so he doesn't get into the race. Nice little jump right there. You come around it pretty good. Off park. Don't look over. His sneaker. That's what it was. He lost his sneaker. Good shoe. Nice jump there. That'll get him kudos all the time. He squared her up pretty good there. Yeah, that was a choice. He wasn't quite ready. He didn't have enough speed. Yeah, he made some nice decisions. Puts him in the lead. 48-61. 48-61.
One of each. One strip of each.
No, 50-50.
Okay.
They sell the tickets.
Was it?
The money they get, whatever it is.
Gaten Sear with Dover-Foxcroft Maine.
No, well,
Gaten's out of Brownville.
The winner, that the person that you got to take it for, and the other half stays with the fair. Yep.
He's running a nice time. Quiet going. You don't want to watch him. He's gonna come in under tonight. I probably kicked him. I did that last night. Said something good about somebody. They was piled up next one over there. They lost the tire and everything. We had a heck of a good figure 8 race last night. For those that missed it. Tomorrow we have tractor pulling and truck pulling tomorrow night. We have a points pull. Should bring in some different trucks you've never seen here before. They're part of the Boys Championship, goes around the state of Maine, partially into Canada, and all over New England for that matter. He's got a broken rear spring now. That bounce is funny. 52.63. 52.63. Okay, Dodge Dakota on the line. Ethan Robinson. Atkinson, Maine. Downtown Atkinson area. Put the transfer case back again. There you go. That is in better shape, that little red one I drove every day. Oh, God, this is bad. This is bad. Nice jump there. Lost 10 cents worth of returnables on the way through. He's around the outside of the tires. That corner's way different than years past. Usually we come in by the tree, but on the ledge tonight we decided to go the other way. He got Corinth Auto Pass. Oh! Hey, the spare tire's not hooked anymore. At least if you need it, the cable isn't stuck. That's a plus. Oh, the hole's showing its face over there. $102.70. I think he needs a shock. He's still bouncing. You're good, Bob. Okay, everybody's off the track. Yep, he's out of the way. Hugh Landry. 1244 on the door. Looks like a power company truck or something. Three big numbers on the door. That's all I can think of. Wait a minute, you have a spotlight on the roof looking for down wires. Wow, that's a nice jump coming in that corner's good time. He's actually making a good turn there, too. That's a nice run. If you hit that corner in under 30 seconds, you're doing just fine. That was a nice one. Let's see how this hole's showing. Yep, it's showing.